Commissioner jong ka East Castles kong RM Kurba kala ay ka jingro ya ka Kali venue bathamai ka bla tip kum ko all new venue ka ba ka Shillong Hyundai ka palai pai ba hine ka snipale amau yong rim Shaban palai pai ba ya ka ni ka Kali ka bla penwandor itana bha la yo shwai ka jing batai shapang ka Kali no Chief Operation Officer Rajib Das la yo rui ka jingkra no Managing Director ba Kitty Marbanyang but ru no Sales Manager ba Raymond Cream Kador jong kadika Kali all new venue bapalat thamai kasdang nado kador nyolak prap khandai hajar tingka ter hado kador ka sanlang laipo hajar tingka ki bor penyat kila pentip ru ha ka jingalang pa kila don bon bha ki bala order ya kani ka Kali bathamai kamtam ha ki benta ba shapo jong ka Kali
Katie Marbanyang and Jolly and Rajiv and the entire team of Shillong Hyundai. Congratulations to all of you. This is a new addition and it's very beautiful. And I still remember the first day when this showroom was open. It was 15 years ago I was here. And subsequently many times when you had your anniversary, I had the privilege to be a part of this family. So I congratulate once again to each one of you. I still remember this place because it was away from town and we were always thinking like, it's very far and things like that. But as you see, the town has expanded and this has become one of the economic hub nowadays. And I really appreciate all of you, especially the atmosphere here is very friendly. The entire team here are very friendly people and customer friendly, as I'm also one of your customers. So I really thank you and I look forward to your success and even in the absence of our dear Tanmi and Ronnie. Big regards to the boys and definitely this is a new addition and it's very beautiful and it's very comfortable as well and we need more addition of new cars. People are always going for new things, so this is exactly one of the best release so far and we hope that it will continue to for the growth of this showroom. And I wish each one of you all the best with this. I'd like to thank you once again and congratulations. God bless each one of you.
Wider and more imposing with an extended 2,520 mm wheelbase. And that enhances both cabin and road presence. Its refreshed exterior features twin horn LED DRLs, quad beam LED headlamps, and a dark chrome radiator grille. R16 diamond cut alloy wheels and a striking horizontal LED tail lamp setup, coming together to create an unmistakable modern SUV identity. Step inside and you're welcomed into a world where technology meets comfort. The beautifully crafted cabin features dual 12.3 inches curved panoramic display, a first in the segment, with premium H architecture dual tone interiors, a terrazzo textured crash pad, and a moon white ambient lighting, and thoughtfully designed coffee table center console. Features like 4-way electric driver's seat, 2-step reclining rear seats and rear AC vents, scoop seat backs and rear window sunshades elevate the comfort for every passenger. When it comes to performance, the all-new Venue offers a versatile and efficient engine lineup. The 1.2 Kappa MPI petrol, the spirited Kappa 1.0 turbo GDI petrol engine, and the dependable U2 1.5 CRDI diesel engine. All available with manual, automatic, and a DCT transmission. Each combined and engineered to deliver a smooth, confident, and dynamic driving experience. Safety and protection have also been taken a step ahead. The Venue features an advanced lighting system, strong body structure, and improved ergonomics. Wider door openings, a rare sunshade that both offers heat and protection, and privacy, ensuring a secure and comfortable journey for all its occupants. The new venue now comes with ADAS 2 and also features safeties like 6 airbags and all 4 disc brakes as standard for all the cars. With a trust over 7 lakhs happy customers across India, the Hyundai Venue has already built a strong legacy, and today, in its future design, advanced technology, enhanced comfort and powerful performance, the all-new Venue sets a bold new benchmark in the compact SUV segment. Thank you.
A sincere thanks to ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us, and hopefully one day you drive this car too, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am.